Hello, my name is Gloria Arellano, and this is my demonstrative presentation for Professor Hescht's class, and this is my audience. I would like to begin. Summer calls something fresh, something cool, something like a Frappuccino. But not just any Frappuccino, a Mocha Frappuccino. It is essential to keep yourself cool and hydrated during these blistering summer days, and something delicious and enjoyable is always good to have. For the following presentation, I'll show you how to make a Mocha Frappuccino, and that is something simple and enjoyable to drink. Today I'll be walking you through every step that is necessary to make your own perfect Mocha Frappuccino and provide some practical steps that will take your Frappuccino from okay to wow in an instant. There are various Mocha Frappuccinos that you can make, but this one I'm about to show you is practical and easy to make. It's something that people tend to lean towards to. To begin, one should lay out all the ingredients. A cup of ice, a third cup of coffee, third cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup, a tablespoon of sugar, and for your whipping cream, you'll use a cup of heavy whipping cream and a third cup of powdered sugar. And for decoration, you can drizzle some chocolate syrup. This recipe is from Starbucks Hackers that was updated in 2013. This is just a general recipe, so you are able to jazz it up if you like, or take some stuff out. If you want to make something sweeter, you could go to the chocolate, which you can make it semi-sweet or milk chocolate. And for my tasting, I like to use dark chocolate syrup, but you can change it how you like. Or you could change the coffee. You want something stronger, something sweeter, you can also change it. You can make it a cappuccino or a mocha cappuccino, mocha frappuccino, whatever you really like. You could even use instant espresso. And for the milk, if you're lactose tolerant, you can use soy milk or almond milk. Or if you can't have whole milk, you can do 1% or 2%. It all depends on you, but always keep the ice and liquid ratio in mind. Now, the next step is very simple because all you have to do is mix your ingredients. You will start by pouring your ice, then all your wet ingredients, coffee, milk. Now you can add your chocolate syrup, sugar, and you should be good to go. Now, if you have a blender like mine that gives you options, you could use the milkshake option, or if you just have a regular blender, then just mix it till it gets to the consistency that you would like. I'd like to begin. So this looking about right. You can see that it's not too liquidy, but it's not too choppy. It has a really good consistency. It keeps that coffee icy kind of feel. Now I can make my homemade whipping cream, which is very easy to make. It just takes 2 ingredients: whipping cream and powdered sugar. And you'll mix that up high. And in an instant, it will become stiff enough for you to put into your pocket bag. There you go. Very nice consistency. So all you need is an ordinary plastic bag, like a gallon size sandwich. It just depends on you. It's just me, so I'm going to use a plastic bag. Good. Now you have enough whipping cream. You will go ahead and cut the tip off. And now you have a piping bag for your drink. And now pipe your cream. Look at that, very simple. And add a boba straw. There. Now you have a mocha frappuccino. Let's not forget our chocolate syrup. Wow. Doesn't that look great? Just like Starbucks. Staying cool, hydrated, and easy to do, especially when you have a recipe like this. And it's indeed needed when you have a Texas summer day. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, that you'll use this recipe to brighten up your day. Now, why don't you get up right now and start grabbing your tools and ingredients so you can make a delicious mocha frappuccino. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you have a very great day.